In this video, I'm going to show 3 things you can check and do when your audio track is visible in Premiere Pro, but it just won't work. So first thing you can check is that neither the M for mute or the S for solo track has been activated on your audio track. So make sure these are off. The second thing that often causes issues is when you go to Edit and then you choose Preferences, you choose Audio Hardware, is that the default output is set to the wrong thing. So make sure that the default output is set to your speakers or your headset, whatever you're using. And when you've checked that, then press OK to make sure all is working. And if those things don't solve the issue, what you can then do is select everything in your project, press Ctrl-Command-C to copy it, go to File, New Sequence, or press Ctrl-Command-N, and then here you can either choose a preset you want to use, or you can go to the settings and then choose what you want to use yourself. Let's take a preset like this, and then when you have everything like you want it to be, you press OK. In this new sequence, you're going to Ctrl-Command-V to paste everything from the previous sequence. And this might just solve the problem because it often solves it for me. So those are 3 things you can check or do to solve the issue of your audio not working even though the audio track is visible in Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.